Can I get my own, sir?
Remote level. Remote.
It's working like this. So, I'm Amna. Amna from Mehra, senior lecturer, ITB department. से इससे पहले I'm a clinical psychologist. Actually, I was selecting a topic and I was thinking कि कोई ऐसा topic हो जिसमें like you people will learn about it and we will have this time gap. So, look, when we deliver the lecture in any class, after that some students learn लेकिन कुछ को नहीं समझ आता. So what's the difference between them? Like we need to figure it out कि क्या difference है. इसमें कुछ students को कुछ gain कर लेते हैं, they can retain it, they can memorize it, लेकिन कुछ students नहीं करते. So we need to find it out. We need to change our strategy so everyone will grasp that subject and equally. So I bring different teaching strategies which is based on cognitive psychology. So what is cognitive psychology? Cognitive psychology ये कहती है कि what and how the student think, they can learn and they remember. So the thinking, learning, recalling, memory ये procedure cognitive psychology होता है. अब as a teacher what we do is we deliver the lecture to everyone. लेकिन कुछ स्टूडेंट का थिंकिंग, लर्निंग, मेमोरी का रिटेनिंग का पावर डिफरेंट होता है एज कंपेयर टू द अदर वंस. सो व्हाट टू डू इज वी नीड टू वर्क इंडिविजुअली विद देम. अगर हमें पता होगी ना स्ट्रैटेजीज, सो वी नो हाउ टू वर्क इंडिविजुअली विद एवरी स्टूडेंट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द स्ट्रैटेजीज जो कि आप यूज कर सकते हैं ड्यूरिंग योर गिविंग द लेक्चर, or like how you need to incorporate the psychology practices in your teaching. This is the whole intro of my topic. ठीक है? So the effective strategies which actually in line with our teaching is basically we should use active learning procedure. Active learning says that we should use the discussion, case scenarios, कोई भी ऐसी like it should be the active learning and interactive learning. जैसे हमने लास्ट के सेशन में जो डॉक्टर रिजवान थे, he was very interactive with us, so it shows that we actively learn from them. So the active learning strategies help everyone to engage in one setting. Spaced repetition. अब ये है as we all are patients, तो हम अपने बच्चों को यूजुअली सिखाते हैं कि इफ यू रिपीट समथिंग और देयर मस्ट बी रेपिटेशन. तो एवरीवन वी ऑलरेडी यूज दैट थिंग, रेपिटेशन वी यूज इट, बट अगर उसमें स्पेस होगी ना तो रिटेन ज्यादा होगा. तो रेपिटेशन शुड बी प्रॉपर्ली स्पेस्ड. देखें, these strategies we are using in daily life. अब आपने अपने माइंड में रखना है कि इन पांचों में से what actually you people do in your daily life. Everyone is using it. लेकिन हमने नाम दे दिया और उसको थोड़ी सी you can say organize और format technique फॉर्म में लेना है. तो it help everyone. Spaced repetition says that if you give the space between the repetition, the retaining is better. अब देखें जो आपके स्टूडेंट्स बैठे हैं and one of the few students came to come to you and he is saying that कि मुझे नहीं आपकी समझ आ रही. So what you can do is you can work on these things कि repetition use करो, और there must be 3 days का repetition basically generally use होता है कि if you want to learn a concept तो आपको 3 days की repetition it should be spaced. Or secondly, if you want to build a habit of retaining something, ये या वो habit बन जाए तो 27 days का टाइम है. If you repetitively do that activity वो आपकी habit बन सकती है. तो if you want to do some activity जो कि आप habit बनवाना चाहते हैं या बनाना चाहते हैं, तो spaced repetition या 27 टाइम. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं 9 बजे डेली उठूं, 27 days और एवरेज आप डेली 9 बजे उठें, 28 और 9 days में आप really you start having this feeling कि 9 बजे खुद ही आंख खुल जाएगी. So this is the thing. So retrieval practice is saying that whatever you retrieve, अगर आप किसी student को उसकी long term memory में से retrieve करवाते हैं ना, तो वो the things will retain more. Like you need to probe that thing from the student, that you need to like take it out from your memory, अपनी memory अपने experiences से उससे निकलवाएं. That is a retrieval process. Metacognition is thinking on your thinking. अपने thinking pattern में से सोचो. This is the whole scenario. If somebody is doing on this practice, then the retaining is better. So we should use the classroom how we need to apply that. You can use interactive techniques, storytelling हो सकती है, different quizzes हो सकते हैं. So we can use these techniques by using these strategies. So I must say the teaching is not only to deliver everything. Teaching is how the student absorb, how the student retain and bring the things back from them. Like सब कुछ उसको आता है, उसको बताना नहीं आता तो he doesn't have any background of the learning. So I must say be the teacher who can retain the information to the students. Thank you so much.
जी मैम, your plus point, your point for improvement.
Point for improvement. It should be, the topic should be like, it can be more engaging with you people. You can say that, or any other, like the slide can be more interactive. This is my improvement point. Or the strength point is like, this is very relevant to you all. I must say, the topic is very on the point of all of your life, so you can use it practically. And now the point, I want suggestions from you actually.
The audience.